fourth root of cube root of 2 square is equal to. So now here fourth root of cube root of 2 square. So this is we can write as cube root of 2 square whole to the power of 1 by 4. Right? This is equal to we can write as so 2 square whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So this is equal to, so this is like a power m whole to the power of n, that is equal to a power mn. So now this is 2 power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So this is equal to, so 2 to the power of, again same application, 2 power 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. So now this is equal to 2 to the power of, so 2 by 12. So now this is equal to 2 to the power of, so 1 by 6. So now our option is 2 power 1 by 6. So next thing, so the product of 3 cube root 2 into 4th root 2, so into 12th root 2. So how to solve this is, so cube root 2 we can write as 2 power 1 by 3. So into 4th root 2 we can write as 2 power 1 by 4. So 12th root 2 we can write as 2 to the power of 1 by 12. Now this is equal to, so this is 2 power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 4. So into 2 to the power of 32, this is 32 we can write as 2 power 5 whole to the power of 1 by 12. So now we know that 2 power 5 is equal to 32. So now this is equal to, so 2 power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 4, so into 2 power 5 by 12. So if you observe here, all the bases are equal. So base is 2, powers are different. So you can add the powers when bases are same. So 2 power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus this is 5 by 12. So now what is the LCM of 3, 4, 12? So the LCM is 12, right? So this is 4s and 4 3s, and this is a plus 5. So now this is equal to 2 to the power of 12 by 12. So that is equal to 2 to the power of 1, that is equal to 2. So therefore our option is 2. So next, suppose if you see that the value of fourth root of 81 power minus 2. So how to solve this is, so now, so 81 whole power minus 2, so fourth root, no, so that is you can write as 1 by 4. So now this is equal to, so like a power m whole to the power of n, so is equal to a to the power of m into n, mn. So this is 81 whole to the power of, so minus 2 into 1 by 4. So now this is nothing but, so 81 whole to the power of, so this is 2 times we can cancel, minus 1 by 2. So but here we can write 81 as 9 square. Why we know that 9 square is equal to 81. So now this is 9 square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So now 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to 9 to the power of minus 1. So this is we can write as 1 by 9. Why? Because we know that, so a to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. So like that 9 to the power of minus 1 we can write as 1 by 9